How to enable Robinhood two-factor authentication. Welcome to this guide on enabling two-factor authentication in the Robinhood app. Two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security to your account. Step 1. Open the Robinhood app on your mobile device and log in with your username and password. Step 2. Tap on the account icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then select Settings from the menu options. Step 3. Within Settings, go to the Security and Privacy section. This is where you manage security features for your account. Step 4. Find the option for two-factor authentication and toggle it on. You can choose to receive a code by SMS or use an Authenticator app for stronger security. Step 5. Follow the instructions to verify your phone number or Authenticator app. Once completed, two-factor authentication will be enabled, adding an extra layer of protection to your Robinhood account.